So today is special because we're doing 200 active military kits, and really what that means is we're going to fill 200 bags with needed items, or really just kind of goodie bags, right, for our folks who are deployed overseas.
I retired from my corporate career and wanted to do something within my community. We know that homeless vets are some of the most difficult people to bring off the street and into a program, because we were trained to persevere.
As a veteran, I always love to see us giving back to our veteran nation or our veteran population. Here at Rheem, that's what we strive to do. I'm just loving being a part of it.
Rheem is a household name, so I appreciate them letting us come up to their offices instead of them, trying to figure out outlets on how can we do service and how can we incorporate people doing service on their own work time. We can just come up here, and they're so compatible and willing to work with us. So it's a great opportunity and a great partnership that we have.
So to convince someone to come with a stranger and be welcomed into a program where they can have food, clothing, social services, training for jobs, the number one issue with vets.
I'm actually was born and raised in the military. My father was active duty for 22 and a half years. So it was really a good life for me as a dependent. But in 1986 is when I joined the military. Because it is a family field. It is a company that oversees a lot of heating, cooling, water heating needs. But in terms of what it does for veterans, if they're looking for a career where there's structure, there's organization,
I would tell them Rheem is an excellent place to start after your second career in the military.
But without our corporate partners, and Rheem has been a great one, we'd fall apart. We only have 200 people working at United Way of Greater Atlanta. It's their volunteers that make us the thousands. It's people coming out of their hearts.
And for this, it's very, very special. And when you think about what Rheem continues to do, not just about self, but what it does for everyone else.
So we're helping to create with our partners environments where they can go and heal and grow and hopefully return to community. And that's a very exciting thing to think about.
We're partnering with United Way. I think it's an excellent opportunity for us to work together.
We're so excited to partner with them. We're so excited that they have put a big stake in the ground to say who they are and what they believe and how they're going to change the community.